You ever wonder who actually makes money in crypto? Take a look. This Phantom wallet has $2.43 million. And it's not from trading, it's actually from launching them. Stick around, I'm about to break down exactly how I launch coins and print cash. I kept thinking I just needed to catch the right meme coin, the one that would finally moon. I'd sit on Deck Screener and on Memescope all day, watching charts, buying in early, and still lose every time. Why? Because I was always buying someone else's exit. That's when I stopped trying to time coins and started launching them. Now I make the chart, I set the price, I take profit when it peaks. I'm not guessing anymore, I'm building the play. Buyers come to me now, and I decide when the game ends. If you're still on the trading side, you're playing the wrong role. Launch the coin, run the hype, and walk away with the win. By the way, this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Pump.Fun is way too crowded now. Too many coins flooding in, barely any of them getting traction. And worst of all, your project just sits there, waiting to launch. With Create tokens.io, with Create tokens.io, you launch straight onto Raydium, and your coin gets graduated immediately. No waiting, no bottlenecks, you control everything. The liquidity, the timing, the profits, literally everything. So if the coin pumps up, you can dump it whenever you want. If you actually want people to see and buy your coin, this is the only way to do it. Simple, direct, and way more effective. Alright, enough talking. Let's actually launch this coin and see what happens. Now make sure make sure wallet is connected, then refresh list, and we're gonna see which coin looks good. I think I'm going to copy the King of the Hill, which is called Pompilio. It has a 50k market cap and the last buy 56 seconds ago, which is not bad. Now create coin, then okay, ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal, okay? Every single person is gonna get the exact same warning. Ignore it, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be, copied shortly. Boom, and now if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's officially minted on the Solana blockchain. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's simple, we're adding liquidity so people can buy and sell your coin on Raydium. Without this step, your token isn't tradable. So let's get this set up and live on the market. Now, select your coin, token B, keep it as it is. I'm on token A, just click on max or 90%. I'm personally gonna do 90%. You can copy me if you want. Oh yeah, and here's where you add the token B amount. This is basically your first buy into the coin. You are not spending any money, you're just funding the chart. Minimum is 0.3 SOL, and that balance stays in the pool until you remove it later. It's what makes the token live and instantly tradable. So I'm going to put 0.4 SOL, which is above minimum, and then make sure you have enough and create pool. Then click on confirm. After that, simply click on refresh. And if you scroll down, boom, the Pompilio coin is now live, and the first everything you will see is the profit/loss. Now it is $0 at the moment, but if you click on refresh real quick, okay, now our profits are at $159. Now if you want to see the chart and see it all live, click on view on Photon and boom, now the coin is live. Just give it a bit of seconds for it to load because it's not instant, it's fully brand new. Boom. Now literally all you have to do is just monitor the coin, watch the buys and the sells go in, and then bro, oh my god, the coin is already pumping a lot. We're at a $1.7 thousand market cap at the moment. It's fucking pumping, it's ripping. What the fuck? All that on camera. Anyways, I'm gonna do a mini time lapse, okay? So be right back and enjoy the show. Now I'm back. As you guys can see, it pretty much just went fucking high and just higher, which is really fucking good. We're at a 5.1k market cap, 2k in liquidity, 56 transactions. It is going up a lot. Now we could wait longer for it to go to like 100k market cap on all that, but we're lazy. We want to make money quick, so come back to the site, and then first of all, we're gonna refresh to see our profits. Okay, so we're up 1.7k on this coin, which is really fucking insane with a 4.8k market cap. Click on the minus button to, take out profits. And here you can choose the percentage that you want to do. I usually do 100% because fuck it, I don't even care anymore. Then, as you guys can see, we're up 8.8 SOL. Now click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you print money out of thin air. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom! 1.6 grand straight inside my wallet.